Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn on upload media at the highest quality in Instagram. Uploading media at the highest quality can make your photos and videos look their best. But it can also take up more storage space on your device and use up more data when uploading. If you want your content to look its best and have the storage space and data to spare, you can easily turn on this feature using the steps outlined in this video. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture icon from the options below. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the upper right corner to open a menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. It is usually the first option. Scroll down to Your Account and Media and tap on it. Scroll down to find Media Upload Quality in the Your App and Media Quality section. If Upload at Highest Quality was off, tap on it to turn it on. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on upload media at the highest quality in Instagram. Whenever you upload a picture or video, it will be sent as the same quality and form. It's worth noting that uploading media at the highest quality can take up more storage space on your device and use up more data when uploading. If you're on a limited data plan or have limited storage space, it's worth considering the trade-offs before turning on this feature. In conclusion, Instagram's upload media at highest quality feature can make your photos and videos look their best, but it can also use up more storage space and data. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily turn on this feature and customize your uploading experience. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thank you for watching.